Welcome back, traders. In this video, I'll be putting more light on how to identify a reorder block. And some of my subscribers have been asking me to do more videos on other block. So sit back, let's get into the video. The first thing for you to do is to get your buyers on higher time frame. And then the mistake I see some traders doing is see them going to lower time frame like 15 minutes, 5 minutes and so on, and then looking for a reorder block on those time frame. The issue is just that if higher time frame support it, it's going to play out. But if higher time frame does not support it, it won't play out. What I mean by that is just like if higher time frame like 4-hour time frame is going bullish and 15 minutes time frame is giving you a real bearish order block, price won't respect 15 minutes time frame even though it's a real order block. Have that in mind. Always get your bias first on higher time frame. That is when you can be making like 1:10, 1:20, 1:13 and so on. And also for you to get more insight about this strategy and how to be making a very good ratio easily like 1:10, 1:20, 1:30, join my mentorship program. My mentorship program is on right now. Check out for the link in the description to sign up. So let's get into the video right now. So the first thing for us to do is just to get our buyers first, and then we're on 4-hour time frame. You can see it here, 4-hour time frame. After getting your buyers, you just to shake the market, to shake distortion and every single thing. You understand the simple strategy. It's just like every single time you see price broke to level or too high or too equal candle, make use of the other block that is responsible for it. And then if price end up breaking only one, don't use the other block, use the other block below it or above it. If price end up breaking nothing, maybe price not break anything, so don't use the particular other block, use the one below it or above it. Let me just give you an example here. For example, you can see that this movement here, this bullish trade here, it ended up breaking this particular high, this high and also this high. So this other block is what? A reorder block. That's why you can see that price come all the way down to respect this particular other block. Sorry, let me remove this middle line. So that's why you can see that price come all the way down to respect this particular order block, and they give what? 100%. So that is just for that. If price end up breaking too high, so make use of the other block that is responsible for it. But if price end up breaking only one, don't use the other block. So if you check this particular place also, this moment here, this bearish movement, you can see that it end up breaking this particular low here and also this particular low. So this order block is what? A reorder block. That is why you can see that price respects it, and they gave what? 100%. Price go below it. Can you see? So that is just for that. And also if you check this particular place, can you see what end up breaking this particular high here? What end up breaking this particular high? Can you see? Is this movement? Does this movement end up breaking another high? Did it break any other high here? No, price did not break this high. So the low that is responsible for this movement, price is going to go below it. Can you see the low? Can you see that price end up going below it here before price going up? So that is just for that. And then you can see that price is delivering what? 100% of all this movement. So right now, if you check market right now, we're on 4-hour time frame. You can just check daily time frame to see if price going what? On a bullish trend or price going what? On a bearish trend. So on daily time frame right now, you can see that price going what? On a bearish direction, and then we have some void here. You have liquidity void. So we have liquidity void there. So all these ones are void. We're expecting price to close all these void and then respect this particular order block. It's not every single time that price is going to close every void. You can see we have what? Liquidity void there. So you're not expecting price to close all the void, and then sometimes price can end up closing it. It all depends. But what I always do is just I always mark it out like 50% level. So I'll mark out my 50% level. If price got to my 50%, I'll start looking for trade to enter. You understand? So that's just for that. You can see that price end up gets toward this 50% level. Then after that, you can go to like 4-hour time frame now. So on 4-hour time frame right now, you can see that this is where price is right now, and then we're expecting price to reach this particular order block here. But at the same time, I'm not expecting price to get to this particular order block because this is a void. Price can just close the 50%. I'll mark out the 50%. So once price gets to that 50%, price can start going what? On a bearish direction. Or if price have entered premium, you can just use your gambas to measure your premium and discounts. So this is the high, this is the high here, and then this is the low. So you can see that price has got towards our premium. So this premium and then this discount. So once you see price in premium, price can start going what's on the bearish direction. So right now price is in premium, and then this my discount, this premium. So let me just delete this. So what I'm going to be doing right now, just to study the market to see what's happening in the market. If you share this particular place very well, you can see that price end up breaking this particular low. This particular low here. Price end up breaking this particular low. And then do you see that this movement here is not the one that broke this low? Can you see? Price not break this low. Price not break this low. So this order block is not a strong order block. So you're able to identify this particular order block out on forward that this order block is not what a strong order block. And then price is like to be using the order block above it. So if you also like to draw the order block above it out. So right now you have got to what our perspective that price is going what on a bullish trend first. Then after bullish trend, price starts going what on a bearish direction. So let me remove the middle line. So after price got to this particular order block, price start going what on the what bearish direction. So right now we have got to our bias. So our bias now is seeing that price going to get our order block. Then once price gets to this particular order block, price will start going what on the bearish direction. This order block is a very big order block. I can't enter into this particular trade because of this order block. So I have to go to lower time frame to find a perfect order block that I can use, so it can increase my risk to reward ratio. So let's just check 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame right now, we are yet to see a perfect order block inside it. Let's check 30 minutes. So on 30 minutes time frame right now, you can see a lot of information, but what you have to like to focus on is just this particular order block. Any structure you are seeing outside or anything you are seeing, even though it's a strong order block, don't make use of it. Make use of the order block you are seeing inside the 4 hour order block. We didn't see any other block, okay? If I say you should make use of this particular order block, it's not what a strong order block. What brought this low is this high, this particular order block, and the price has respect the one above it. So this one is not what a strong order block. Let's check in 15 minutes time frame. So 15 minutes time frame right now, you can't identify a strong order block. What brought this particular low? I'm looking at this low here. This low. What brought this particular low? Okay, this one. So I'm looking for a strong order block inside this particular order block. So you can't find anyone. Let's check 5 minutes also. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Price not break anything here. Can you see? Price not break anything here. Let's check 3 minutes. So 3 minutes time frame. Okay, 3 minutes time frame right now, you are having a lot of information. So it's either two things we can do in the market. The first one is just like for you to find a perfect order block inside 4 hour order block, like you're going to lower time frame and then find a perfect order block on lower time frame inside that 4 hour time frame, and then price to come to respect it, or you wait patiently for price to return back to your 4 hour order block, and then you go to lower time frame to find a perfect entry. So let's wait out for price to play out, and then if you're able to like to locate and break a structure in the market in this particular area, then you are going to make use of the reorder block that is responsible for that break of structure. So let me just play the market and then see what actually happened. Let me increase this to 10. So you are waiting for price to return back to this particular order block, then we find what a perfect entry for us. So price end up getting to this particular order block here. Can you see? So what we have to do is like to find what a break of structure, and then after locating a break of structure, then we find a reorder block that is responsible for that break of structure. So right now we have what a break of structure here. We have a break of structure here. So price break structure here. So we have what a break of structure. Which order block is responsible for this break of structure? This particular order block here. This particular order block. But we have to find out if this order block is what a strong order block or not. So after price end up breaking this particular low, did it break this low also? Let's check it out. Before forming opposite candle. No, can you see that price not break this one? So this high right now is a liquidity because it end up breaking only one particular low. If price end up breaking too low, then you are going to use it as what a reorder block. But if price not break too low, so you're not going to like to use this, you're going to use the one above it, because this one is going to automatically turn to liquidity. So you're going to like to make use of this particular order block here. So this way we are going to like to be setting our entry. You're going to like okay, so this way you're going to like to be setting our entry and then setting our stop loss in this particular place. So that is the easiest way to like to catch a snapper entry and another stuff. So it's very easy. Once you understand the strategy, it's very easy. It's very easy, guys. And then if you want to like to set what your deep profit, you have to go back to like higher time frame, which is 4 hour time frame. So we got the entry using 4 hour time frame. So on 4 hour time frame right now, we are going to know that price is going to deliver 100%. Price is going to give 100% of this particular moment. So we are going to like to set what our take profit using this particular low here. Let me delete this. Let me delete this also. So you're going to like set our take profit using this particular low, because this low also is what in liquidity. It ended up breaking only this particular high, so it not break too high. So this low is what in liquidity. So you're going to set what our take profit is in this particular low. And also if you check the market, you can see that this end up giving like 1:15. Can you see? Risk to reward ratio 1:15. So let's just go back to like 3 minutes time frame to play the market out. So let me just play the market and then see what happened. We can see that price tap into what our entry and then start going what on the bearish direction, and the price eventually gets what our take profit. This strategy is very easy. Once you just have to understand, just like you have to understand the market and then first get your buyers. Once you get your buyers, then you can go to lower time frame, find the perfect order block to use, a real order block, then make use of it, and then price will play out. So that's just for that. And also for you to get more insight about this, don't forget to join my mentorship. I'm going to like to be leaving the link in the description. So you're going to learn more about this, also like to be getting 1:15, 1:10, 1:20, and so on. All these things are very simple. The major thing for you to know is just like to understand the algorithm, how the algorithm operates. Markets is not just moving just because people are buying or people are selling. It's algorithm that control the market. And then once you're able to like to understand the algorithm, we are going to like to be making all this ratio. Just imagine like within 8 hours, you're able to like to make 15% of your account, risking 1%. So that's just for that. If you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. I really appreciate you for doing that. See you in my next video.